Ekini chinkwana chaba eyemase yemo imeyigisa ifem na Dr. Daniel Manduku na isaine koba omugavana we county ya Kisii tegaramba ko mwelyo
ase obraiwa wusi support you are one of the high man ekerese ge yon speak kurwana mangana yon speak akorana orangi kwanya support eli etakire kuba rokuruse abarai baito ose bantu baito no tene sare bara
Manyete nse mune koba. Negere ngoja kolana naye. Kero bwate nyangi. Wasana wange babo jase nyangi yaro. Kere bintu bya kero moto mare. Mare. Abantu bakanga gisimi babo cyumba toraga nababo ngo bare bose. Aki kira mangana chaka. Bakukira.
Bato na weko.
Njibe kandi. Bakabona njibe ekigambo njibe kandi. Lakini paka tayari kuzinga. Ekina nakyo yeko igambira. Yatuganya tonde ngako yeko era. Yani batena ni matena. Kanke na kero.
Okay. So tuanyore bana transition ya chire chisira ibere chire kwa residency wa chire KPA and KPA actually ya stress nyingi sana at that time.
Actually onye dia bantu bako inyura. Ando nye bantu bako bwatia again tokora ka maritime records. Matindu bwatia maritime records. Tiga mwana revenue of course I can tell you now it's nyingi mono 18 billion kana rengoro in 1 year and no one will ever make that. I can tell you that. Okay. That you can take to the bank.
The port take perform any better
you can take to the bank.
Okay.
But maritime records ndu bwatia ke tokoroka ship turnaround time. Ndu bwatia ke tokoroka vessel waiting time. Ndu bwatia what we call dwell time. Container dwell time. Even the avions speak all those records. Moves per hour, moves per shift, all those records in the navigate. Talk about watching. Now rule now is 9 months. None of them has been broken. Why? Because of management.
Okay.
Motivation to your employees. Superior management skills. Na gotiga bandu bakorera ciao na bakorera. Bye.
Okay. Okore ngiki kego ita obokoreri gwa serikali as experience kiao. Ngiye ko chikwende chinyige cha serikali tele korosi tele go deliver usaba ndabangi batele go deliver.
Inga ndike tanga ngo ngi merit. Abantu abangi bare ase positions. Across the board. Okonyora mbari there on merit. Okore there because of patronage. Naona nyakunyingo maete shingo be kasigete.
Yes.
Usinyagete ngo be kasigete. Inga ndike akabere. Imitera mingi miroro. Nenda mwangu. Ne moko. Ona nyakundi una baba yega. Ona ngutango transfer ngoira sana. Ngoire gochi ngochi mandero abero.
Konyegeri ore ndone bitoke ko.
That is a problem to work. Naende inige ndoki abere myake mingi. Na bantu bande koranga kiyo yobona mnachaka iga gutubugare. Gutubugare either so azichisemi usaso botenengu. Usasa kumenyekana. So banya kwanya abantu bari uncomfortable nayo.
So akurangia maybe kereke cost ya abantu abange asoko deliver.
Generally as an range with my experience that is the biggest problem.
Okay. Now ekero tuacha wano tuasukire naki for example eyiga abantu bande bari asobokore bwa serikali and they have been doing it for some time. What do you think as experience kia unaende? Because you are one of our sales professionals kurusi wale korrekana. Maybe that is why I talk about it. But we have so many officials who are here bange be serikali. But we to see, but you never see them. Why? Why is that so?
I think when you guys inject to what limelight. Lakini ndicho gazinjire chito wa limelight lakini jire very effective. Na bantu bataba ushia bange sana bari nyabara abanyagitari. Bara nyagitari. Bakorera sinja sana. Ngaki muna bana tubwata marugoro rwa corona. Aba kuzina bange bari nyagitari iki bakora ki bakorera sinja. Lakini aba prefer bakora ki bakorera siabo. Munda prefer ya bari ndu yare ngora. Ndera bana bane. Ngene nyumba. You know you can live that life.
Yeah.
And be comfortable.
Yes.
Lakini abantu bata haya nje we can go I must shine.
Yes.
So it's a personal choice normally.
Okay.
Lakini ndio hata mata mangi, kuna lawyers mangi very good. I'm saying. Tu hata doctors ya mangi. Alimna mangi tu hata na principal. Lakini bana pale quiet.
Yes.
Na magana musangara kana ai kana sema ga
To kumanyanga no mugusi.
no mugusi lakini mbaro.
Okay.
Lakini then for us what we need to do to encourage, nga. Tuanze na kusi. Nze ni famous.
Dr. Daniel Manduku, do you regret kurwas kiseme chance wako asinaro waiting ango tiru especially you had a contract for 3 years as a port the kaira gafla no wate ko ichana kono bonso so regret chili chance as wako remen
Oma ete abagusiba tana kikwali na kikiao. Asibwe ke ogwa kanya sambi yamona. Kero mate gas mune port ndo kwanza na bala ngende port ya baro. No bono tabo atana bangi bana kore asibi. So no kora 1 month, or 2 months, you must appreciate it wa gas kwa. You cannot regret nga ngakina ruga matkadara. Of course ene manya bandra mota nga na tabukia. Userin kore kente ko se injara ke nga. Lakini maite wiko manya na nyasana ko mangakere.
Okay. Another thing, professionals, we're talking about professionals, what are you, as you see, and you're saying about Simbara Ravangi, what are you rekana, what are rekana, but because in my professionals, who are born and as professionals. What do you think professionals will shy away? Or was a kwenda negotiate bisa
Oma ite individually professional so kama wao muntu wote tutao muntu wote kusi in a particular area na ndio professional nobody got certain influence in that region lakini maite kinatoka chama na wanakatoa hapo tata last time kwa chikura watu wakite force gete in terms of opinion, in terms of resources. So kwanya wakati kula chair ba unamtaka ile mwa mkiaga mwate a force iko courage wana kwenda agitation iko sababu ngaki wana mtu partake what next. So kwanya wala people become uncomfortable to sustain that togetherness. You know, they say unity is strength. Mungu tutaka na professionals forever, especially elected leaders. Very comfortable now professionals. Because professionals then have become an alternative leadership or focus of the community. So professionals role ba kora ngeli bwana kaki problem ngero ba kora kera ba kodi ikasi ya. Lakini individually professionals actually contribute a lot. Come on, wait.
Okay. Do you think role kibata kero play? Like bara say abumanyi.
Mainly advisory. Professionals normally mangana advisory. Na mangana will support in terms of development yanka. School, amache, jipara. And most of us actually do that. Chikanisa. With or without prompting, we do that all the time.
Daktari, sungio carbon, wa pale meyos, no wale
Ngono mete aso wanafanya saa na chagete biashara kare. Na chagete biashara kare, na chagete biashara via architecture.
Okay.
In the region. Bono nende ego bikubishe na nyegoro 1998. So 22 years later, ngwaere. Ngwaere nango kwa legasi. Yo tuwache nyumba, wakora master planning, na real estate.
Igonyo, takaga plan ke
Ngo
so bedroom na
alafu na chagete biashara binde via industry. Ngo techi industry shapo. Ngoro wasinde mabati na mabelete juja. Ngoro wasinde rangi kwa tawi paint. Tawi paint ngoro wasinde chiwono ngoro wasinde chipipe ne plastic. Ibi on na mainti gete.
Okay.
Ngono in a day, in a week, I'm going to the one in the architecture, the two in the factory gete, the three factory gete. They folk korande mangana microfinance. Ni bado microfinance.
Okay.
Yo kabeza chibesa. Ukabesha abantu biasa chiba chinge. Ikoro kukipepeo. Imo kwa lomo mama.
Okay.
Alafu Fridays na ka girlfriend. Sabato na ngende kanisa na Sunday na ngende kanisa. Ngwana mkenza mtu kwa siabe.
Why?
Ngana nyesa kwa ngwana mama. Ora ibintu byonsi tiko da nyesa byamo. Ona ko ngenda Saturday na ngenda Sunday. Na ino nawana acha online. Na kwa Jones actually. Actually kwa Jones.
Okay. You see gwakwa naga ekero bwatekenia abantu nabango kunyara bako gutara. Are you as busy unakero kwa NCA na Kenya Post Authority in terms of engagement na abantu bande?
No, engagement of course is reduced. Lakini ndio maana it's more fruitful and more focused. Mate kadoro bisi serikali abantu bango bagocha. Lakini bari kwa add value. Mundu agocha busanga kebora ngoligia ya sarang ngoligia abantu na bari kwa add value at all. Lakini bo wana kenanga ni meeting ni madana ni twara 1 hour only or half an hour. It's going to bring value.
Yeah, okay.
It's going to translate into value.
Okay. You ran a budget, NCA budget here in Gargo Banyo?
NCA I think 2 billion.
2 billion.
Actually 4 billion.
4 billion. Kerumwa Gochaka.
Kete Chaka.
Na airport.
Airport can have already budget it I think 60 billion.
Yes.
The last budget na kwa mwaka mtana ya think 48. Mwaka kwa bele 60 billion.
How did you manage to run a budget of 60 billion and to what they are 12 billion and to take up again? County government.
I think entonke ringa we go to our professionals wa ukonye. Ndamono nyana mangane budget yo to abantu ba accounts. What are proper strategies? What are proper abantu ba execute? Abantu ba monitor na kibintu bakorwa. Quality standards should be maintained. And of course, at the end of the day, we got to get out of all these developments, which ones have got the biggest impact? And that is what I focused on. What brings great value, what brings greatest impact, and what is the best way to execute this.
Okay. Especially county governments, to struggle in terms of this besides say financial management.
One, capacity. And I told you the problem to water patronage. Uko kama andama baga pata ngare kasi hiyo. Kuna romo ndare attend the department and it is his first job. Tara experience is tara education is tara division. Yeah. So kuna romo ndabe ki yali no monene nga I want to go get the guys in Jordan moment because in Jordan or from our house. So obviously mo to dapat ragasi county. Ako pa rin mo na uyu mo kagaya toro. Lakini nende what you need to do is to have a total paradigm shift. Yani injira ta kwana gara dia tonjo ke 200%. Tonjo ke na wana onye ta kwana wichia tonjo ke wichiga. Tena tena wana usi for example, you see. Mata ba usi generally do somete. Magana ke rasa ba usi pa somete. Iya ndio kama na usi na bakoma se gasi. Ndio bora se gasi ito.
Yes.
Na usi gasi na bakanya kwa utaboke makamambi. Lakini kwa bwana maki au kam. Imiaka yonse bado tarabataka. Kera bado abanda bangi tole. Abataka busi. Amale makeide. Usi amale makeide. Bano ndoko nyara kole mabusi ni mo. Mara kato kina kanendo bata maoga busi ndo bate chai. Meri bano bilo tapanya ni mo. Kero ndoko nyara bata kanusueka wasimite chai. Ite ko konya. Ukalitu era total paradigm shift. Kurosa mangana hiyo. Mangano kole mangana hiyo ndio tata konya tol. Kera ndo bata bole mo. And what we need to do, in my opinion, and this is the things I've done. We got to embrace mangana industry. Why? Ndo kata mandaba nai. Ndo kata the critical numbers to sustain any industry. Ndo wana usia dia ngikira agar to ndo chako rosha pakuta itu kokuru. Você sabuni itu kisi. Você rende any other value addition. Na value addition yetari na você meka avocado wasibi. No. Total where you talk about 1,000% value addition. Rosia maguta, Rosia sabuni, and for export. And export here, you're talking of Uganda, you're talking of Rwanda, Burundi, Congo. These are things we can do in Kisii.
Are you saying that County Church should invest in own priorities? So
you must also appreciate in a key. This first term governor, Zimbabwe, one challenge is Chokorosi, basic infrastructure, which was good.
But you did that one, I didn't see one, so there's nothing difficult.
You know, we are different capacities. I talked about capacity. One kwa nyora, muna gusiba na towa tanyika chisa ine, bono jipagachwa, chiskuru, chipara, which is basic infrastructure, which lays now the ground for industrial takeoff. And we see unless we do industrial takeoff, we will be in a perennial cyclic problem. You could reach Nairobi, you could Yokokora, we will still be in that cycle. You could get opportunities which are not there.
Okay, daktari asante sana soka na usangamento wa sensema hiyo. Nitutaita kumanya gono what's next, because there are other machikwana nchini ya kwaniru. So are you intending cover, I guess, order for long, or say what and other feelings during the window? Are you getting any other pressure kule sichi sehemu mbalimbali to move next level? Lakini yangu kwa natare baada ya mwana mayegesa asenchira iyo keno ichinsest chabo mambe mwanzo mutali tugenda tukusanga ime yegesa FM na Dr. Daniel Manduku ase mambe bono. By the way, boirimboro gati ya Daniel Manduku na the late Dr. Ezra Manduku. People confuse that is your father.
No, one yanko yani.
Oh.
Nyomana yamo. Yanko yani. Kabisa.
Okay. Very well. Yegesa FM de ka. Ngetatu igore ichinsest to chabo mambe edinde dioto release daktari agende ebintu byambisa rekomende kero kwa nayo deciding yuko na mpaka so we're going to talk about the rest of the mugondo. I know you told me you have a meeting at 10, so we'll have to let you go. But two things first. Number one, I know everybody. I know what about concerned with what I going to change emotions. Does it concern you one of the highest aspirants of government? For example, the highest office you have seen.
Amalida na kanya upona kwanwa ayane ngonya kwenye yugo bawa taba nyali bali wa sofi taba nyali bali sita bandi bataba saba lakini maito nyali bali manyene kusomo usi jumla ero ramwenga ngo isaina kwa kasi ikiro rwese na wa soki mbosa lakini yoko gande segiye yumora nyara kwa segiye na ino maito ntubuga that misbelief, misconception nga kini abanyali bali yo musi ya mwenga ngoto kwa igenteke umunyali bali sono ndubuga sikero musi no musi ora nale diga to besi igenteke asu monto ora nale kwa igasi yu based on experience, ability and conviction abantu bose na ende bono unatoka ndo chimu wako yo abangi baje basoke tenga kinere nyali ba masaba seito so bata bantu bate nito buchumbi abantu 32 asa kenya ngimana nto tangale na botu na kitutu kwende kitutu east so tiga abantu bamweruka abantu bose kibonsi bache alafu abantu bamwe.
Okay. So what's next for Manduku as a person?
Njabano nende ebiasara ngo ganda byane. Ninga ndile ebiasara byane. Nimgo ata project kusingo para. Nimgo ata project kuzichana ngo para on social responsibility. Nimgo ata ngo chakande na chakire tournament ya mpira uja December. Ya kusiengima. Umwaka wocha. Nimbo chi program jabangi ni chabache jingo paranje personally through my foundation na wasani mano isi kwa bangi mbwate nimbo chi kanisa mucha kubwata sia nimbo te program chi kanisa corona ya salia mangana ya kangangwa na tore usimono jino mo wanjite kanisa nimbo te abangi na bago cha kotera recording mba support the recording mangana recording materi chi kanisa kwa kwenda. So those programs are going on.
Okay. So in short, one interest you are not going to see.
That has always been my interest. Because now I'm able. I am free.
You are able. You have time.
I have time.
You are trying to be friend.
I've always been friends. I've always been friends. So then one what baga ni chingu ni chino. Ase mo kwanya bangu kwa. Na je tiniko baba na usemu usiku wasikete bosi ngapara.
Very well. So before somebody would ask like why now? So it's something you've been doing.
I've been doing it for long. I have a history from 2013.
Very well. Dr. Daniel Manduku. Bima sana sana ngento sama bia bwana. Tumato jumba de kudir musi.
Injiga ntaka tiaba kusingiring na. Nitanga ni. Tuirenda saburo wa corona. Ore no go wetira banta bange. Na kusiba na kile weekend tuwata matanga. Serikali yatebere ng'aitoko tukwirenda. Ibintu bire simple. Kusia magoko, kubeke mask, social distance. Imagine kusintu abe disrupted in terms of life. Mangane school na economy. Lakini abantu baito bali bwanja. Bali bwanja la kibu ngendekera eta tutara na yo. Tuirende kabisa. Ngeto kora. We must remember ngaba kusintu resilient. We can always rise above challenges. So, ekeninga ndio cha kuweta. And we rise back to nime gonde ito tira nje school. Tukali ndio ito. Ndio kyo mwario. Ndio kyo mwario. Wanu cha kwa ngali mangana. Industrial take off. For KC. On a very serious note. So ndio the program yetu okora. Kuja korora next year. Abantu bale kutego chake factory yokorosia boda parts. To identify the key part cha boda 7. The korosia we want to set up in Kisii.
Kisii Wabusi. Because the word Kisii na nime. Kisii County.
Kisii County.
Okay.
So we are talking to these investors to Japan. Now, what means Kisii is the best place. You know, got a lot of catchment in terms of spare. The boda we have to spare 299. So we want to manufacture 7 in Kisii.
Okay.
So very soon we'll be coming with a program, and that will be the first among many that we will roll out with friends and partners. So that we focus turu mangano ko obole myogo kera mengondi akoreki ya kai. Otherwise renda bantu baito mpatana biyamo aso wantakena tubata namo tokorega asiamu. Tukanda uchibutu biyamo.
Daktari